Alright guys, let me try and get out.
What can we move?
I don't want to fall with the camera. That's a step?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay guys, stay there. Oh jeez. Look at that snow.
Are you taking a video camera?
Yeah, it's video.
Okay, can I go to the steps now?
Okay, go ahead. Go across.
Whoa.
Go across. I thought they were over there. Jesse, go follow Allie's footsteps.
Whoa. Daddy, I gotta fall. Whoa.
Be careful, Jess.
Up to here. And I shoveled this last night at 10 o'clock.
So we probably got about 2 feet. More. 2.5 feet. If you get a chance to get my sunglasses out. Oh man, I'm having trouble getting out of here. Oh. Careful, Jess. This is our house. I know, the hot minivans. Don't be jealous. That's my hubby. I don't think I can zoom in. Going over to the neighbor's. Uh-oh. What fire did they got going on over here? I think it's a fireman. Yeah, fireman's got a fire going. Oh, he's got the fire pit going. How cool. Oh, how cool is that? With the flag. We got the best neighbors. Oh, that's their ice. They made an igloo and a fort. Let me check this thing out. This your igloo?
Yes.
I'm
here, Mama.
I'm coming.
Me, Stephanie, Justin, Daddy, Jen, Kat, and Jesse help make this whole thing.
Oh man, it's tough to get through here. Okay.
Video camera.
Let's see. Oh, cool. That is cool.
And the light's usually right here in this little hole.
Okay. Let me take a picture in there. That is cool, guys. That is cool. Jesse, don't get away from the fire, Jess. Go around the other way. Geez, can you hear my panic? Come through this way, honey. All right, I gotta help my kid. Stopping the camera.